Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've got this error WV-109156-2 in EA games, this is the video for you to help you resolve this error. What you need to do, you need to go to your web browser, example google.com, and here type EA login and enter. You will see EA.com below it, click on the link. Once this page is open, click on this icon here and then click on sign in, and here type your email or phone number which you have used it to play the games. For me, I logged in directly to this page because I already have done these steps, but for you, you will get a window saying verify your identity /send code. So click on it and you will receive the code either to your email or to your phone number. Type the code and then click on sign in. Then you will receive another window, click on link account, so click on that and then click on get started. Once this is done, go back to the game, restart it, and this issue should be resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.